everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I bring useful tips and tricks that can help you take a step closer to the industry. And today I'm going to share another exciting opportunity for you, which is with the Google's Gemini team. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so by clicking on the subscription button below and make sure you drop a comment below if you find these video series useful. In the first section, let's get started understanding what more about this role is, where can you apply, and once you decide to apply, then how do you actually craft and customize your resume in a manner that will help you not just pass the ATS system but also catch the recruiters and the hiring managers' eyes and stand out amongst the crowd where thousands of people may be expected to be applying for this role. All right, so let's get started with the first part, basically what this role is about. So the Gemini team is hiring a specialist who can help advocate Gemini as a product in the higher education sector. They are looking for someone who can partner with the higher education ecosystem space, collaborate with the stakeholders there, understand the requirements, and also share more about what Gemini can do and help users in a lot more ways than just sending a prompt and getting the expected answers. So, you would be someone who would be collaborating with the stakeholders actually to tell them how amazing this product is and how it can solve for multiple purposes catering to the higher education space. So, if you are someone who is not just an early stage in their career, but if you're also not someone who has a lot of experience and is at an advanced stage of their careers. So basically, if you are someone at the mid career stage with 4 to 6 years of industry experience, this opportunity is a good fit for you in the first place. The second thing that you need to look to be eligible for this role is, have you worked with the higher education space in the past? Have you actually worked with people in the industry around the higher education sector? Maybe collaborated with universities in the past, academicians, if you have actually worked with faculties and members or staff of the university to drive something meaningful, then this opportunity is the second tick mark on your checklist to be eligible for this role. The third thing that you need to checklist for yourself is, have you actually worked on partnerships in the past? Have you actually collaborated with stakeholders to actually build a go to market strategy to reach from, let's say, 1,000 paid customers to 10,000 paid customers and beyond? Then yes, this is a great opportunity for you. So whether you come from a startup background where you have actually designed and executed the go to market strategy to launch a product, take it to the market, and then scale it beyond an extent, then you are a good fit for this role. Now, in the second part of this video, let's try to understand more on what goes in your resumes. So while you are crafting your resumes, make sure that you're talking about three things primarily. One is the experience that you have. Read the job description very carefully. Make sure you are actually making yourself a perfect match for this role and focus on the experience that you have catering to this role than actually showing the wisdom of knowledge that you have. Focus on what actually this role is looking for. This role is looking for professionals who can collaborate with stakeholders in the higher education space. If you have experience in that direction, definitely that is your first highlight in your resume. The next thing that you need to highlight in your resume is, have you built relationships with stakeholders in the academy or enterprises by driving some go to market strategies? If you haven't done any of these partnerships with academia or industry, but if you have actually launched a startup solution or an enterprise solution, and you've actually designed and executed the go to market strategy for these solutions, then you should be definitely talking about those in your resumes. And last but not the least, if you have experience working on AI solutions, ML based solutions, or any other transformative technologies that the industry is demanding in this era, that definitely those are good to have qualifications or experiences that you must be talking about in your resumes. All right. I hope you're finding this video content useful. But remember, at the start of the video, I also mentioned that I will be sharing the job link with all of you if you're interested in applying. I would be definitely sharing that. But for those who would be dropping a comment in the comment section below, I will be sending you a DM with the job link. So make sure you're dropping a comment in the comment section below and I'll share the job link with all of you. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.